I come from Napoli in Italy, Naples, but I would say that this town is very, very nice. This morning we went to the beach, we had some nice fish, and then we saw the old city, and everything is wonderful. And there's a lot of music around. I can hear, I can feel the energy. One of my first instructor, he was a jazz musician, and he used to give me CDs every week, a lesson. Listen to this, listen to this. I never listened to any music he gave me. Then one time he gave me Kind of Blue by Miles Davis, and I don't know why, but I say, okay, let's play this. And I played it, and my love for jazz music started. I'm gonna play with my trio by Antonio Caps on the piano, Antonio Napolitano on double bass, and of course me on drums. We're gonna play a couple of tunes that I arrange as a medley because I like that the music never stops. Then Celia will come. Celia is a wonderful artist. I think is probably the best singer I ever play with. And she's really, 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 how to say, incredible. She's incredible. Every once in a while we do something. We don't play so often together because I'm busy and she's very busy because she's very famous in France and not only in France, in Europe. But yeah, every once in a while we like to meet each other and blend our art and try to do something nice for us and for everybody who wants to listen. Thank you. Bye.
It's my first time and the city is very beautiful and it's good to discover the country in this city. It's beautiful. It's a nice stage and the view, I like the view in particular because when we did the rehearsal we could see the mountains. And it was like I was singing to the mountains, and I like it. Yeah.
Like the month of May it words, and I say it was great.
Why is it special? Because we are all special. We are all special, so we do as we are. Every night, you want to, to express yourself after that, but we have to rest and be able to long all summer. Jazz and art stuff. I think there is not a name for a style of music. It's just what we like. I will sing tonight with Elio Coppola, who is a friend. And it's only the third time we play together, so it's always something new for me. Yeah.
I'm sure what you give me just a part of London Island and down swells our windy down.
So I listened to a lot of things when I was a child. And I went to rehearsals, concerts. It was a little bit long for a kid, but it was nice. I was fan of Amy Winehouse when I was younger, yeah. And that's her who gave me the need, yeah. to sing. Yeah.
Merci à vous.